Good morning, class 2. I hope, children, you are doing well and taking care of yourself. Today, children, again we shall continue with the chapter regarding MS Paint, in which you are learning about MS Paint, and it is a part of the accessories. Okay, it is not there uh, in the desktop or in the office in any other folder, but in accessories. So in the last period we have learned how to open it by clicking on all programs and accessories, then paint. Like this you will open the MS Paint. Okay, so this was paint window which was explained to you. Today we shall start from here, that is clipboard. Let's see what is clipboard. And clipboard is not just present in MS Paint, but it is there in MS Word also and in most of the applications. So let's see what is clipboard. It contains various options like cut, copy and paste. Copy option is used to make a similar copy of text or picture created on the computer. Means we can use copy, as we can understand by the word copy, means making a similar picture or making a similar thing. Okay, so here what we can do, we can use to make similar copy of text or picture, because we are dealing with paint here, so it can be used for making similar copy of text or picture. Fine. Cut and paste option is used to cut and paste a copy of text or picture respectively on some other place or file. Means here we will make just copy, but here what we will do, we will cut from somewhere and then we will paste it, or we can use it somewhere else. Fine. Now image group. Here we can see in the clipboard group these options are there. When we have selected a part of text or picture, then this option will come into effect. Okay, here they are light right now. Okay, we cannot use it, but as soon as we will select some text or some picture, it will assume that either we want to cut it or we want to copy it. Okay, now image group. The image group contains commands to select an image and crop, resize, flip or rotate it. You will learn to use these commands in senior classes. So here we can select the image in the for the image group. We can select the image and we can crop it. Crop it means we can cut a part of it. Resize it, we can change the size of it. Flip, we can just make a mirror copy of that in the other direction. And rotate it means we can take like suppose if it is downwards, we can make it upwards or sideways, like that we can rotate it. Fine. You will learn about all these commands in your senior classes, not right now. This is just being shown for your information. Now tools group. It consists of various tools like eraser, pencil, fill with color, color picker tool, text tool and magnifier. So here you can see many tools. Okay, so it is consisting of eraser. This is eraser, this is pencil, then fill with color, color picker means this is color picker tool, text tool and magnifier tool. Fine. So these are various tools which you can use for your drawing. Now eraser tool. Let's see what is eraser. As the name suggests, it will be for erasing a part of the picture. Eraser tool, it is used to erase the drawn figure you wish to remove. Okay, if you have drawn something wrong on the screen, you can use this eraser, because you cannot use your own eraser on the computer screen. Okay, so whatever that you are doing with your own eraser on the copy or in the drawing on the paper, same thing you can do in the computer. Then pencil tool. It provides you pencil to draw picture. This is pencil tool. It provides you pencil to draw pictures. Then text tool. It is used to write text in paint. When you want to write text, because otherwise your mouse pointer will always be like you want to draw. Okay, so you have to specify when you want to write text. Then fill with color tool. It is used to color in the circle, boxes, etc., which you draw using paint. So this is fill with color, and this is the one of the most widely used tool of paint. Then magnifier. It is used to zoom the text or the picture in Paint. This magnifier is used for zooming the text or the picture in Paint. Okay, means you can increase or decrease the size. Then shapes group. It consists of different shapes. We can make pictures using these shapes. So here you can see various kind of shapes, and many more shapes are available which you can use for creating your own drawings. Color group. It consists of different colors which are used to color the pictures. So these are colors, and you can customize your own color also, and you can use them for your drawing. Fine. Now practice time. Open the MS Paint, draw through 2-3 lines like that. You can practice if you have system at your home. Okay children, otherwise I'll show you in your practical videos. Now, how to draw in Paint? Follow the given steps to make the drawing in MS Paint. Click the rectangle from shapes group. Means not just you have to follow only these steps which are given in this page or in the next page, but you can create your own drawing. This is just given as example. So we have clicked on the shapes group on the rectangle tool, and then we have dragged our mouse pointer over the screen. So this rectangle will be formed. Click at the middle of the drawing board and drag the mouse to draw the rectangle. See, this way. Then you will click on the oval tool. It is showing that oval tool. You can click on the oval shapes from this. Then click at the middle of the box which you have just drawn and drag the mouse to draw a circle. It was shown to you how it was you can check in the previous page how it was drawn. Then click the fill with color tool in the toolbox. You will click on this. Click the green color palette in the color box, means you will click on green color. Place the mouse pointer inside the circle and click once, means just as soon as you will click once, the green color will be filled. And if you want to fill something here, you can click on the color palette and then you can click here. Okay, wow, you have created a nice picture. So this is a basic picture which is shown. In case of some tools, the shape of mouse pointer changes. Means when we are using some other tools like let's say fill with color, it will change to this bucket style, or in case of eraser, the mouse pointer will look like eraser. In case of pencil, brushes, it will look like them. So the shape of the mouse pointer will change as per the tools. Fine. Now practice time. Here you can see it has given you some instructions, but as I told you that you can use your own creativity for drawing, and you can make use of colors, tools, shapes, etc. Okay, so try to do something with MS Paint. It is a very interesting topic application. Okay, and whenever you use your system, please use it under the guidance of your parents. Okay, now we have completed this chapter. Okay, and we shall be doing its exercises in the next period. Please try to do the back exercise of this chapter. Okay, take care. Bye bye.